I'm Mehmet Guler from Entes Electronics in the tech support team. Today, I'll discuss our EMM-04CS product from our multimeters. I'm moving on to the box opening. There is a user manual for the product inside the box. I recommend your review. The product we offer comprises a pair of plastic adapters that are essential for assembling the 96X96 panel cover from the box. Now let's examine the terminal structure and connection of our product. Here, red clamp A1, A2 should be applied with 100-270 volt AC voltage. Since the product has a contact output feature, there are relay 1 and relay 2. When we assign an alarm parameter here, we can get a contact output. There are 3 phase measurement inputs on the right side of the device. This is suitable for 10 300 volt AC phase neutral, 10 480 volt phase to phase connection. Connect like this: K1L1, K2L2, K3L3 terminals from our transformers on the lower side again for current measurement. Since the product has communication feature, RS485 terminal is located in this section. Here, the grounding tip is also connected to GN. It should be connected as B end, A end. Now we can install our product. Product energized. Installation started. Supports 5 languages for our customers. Offers support for Turkish, English, German, French, and Spanish language options. We press the OK button, we confirmed. Select UT setting here, voltage transformer setting. Using a voltage transformer in our business, we set it to 10. In the next steps, we input the primary and secondary of the transformer. We confirm the off option because we do not use a voltage transformer.
We enjoyed.
Look, it says enter CT primer here, so we need the primary of the current transformer. Here is the output of a 4-digit display. If we utilize a current transformer ranging from 5 to 1000, it will be equal to 1000. If a current transformer of 5 is used for 500, this place is made 500. We will use a current transformer of 50 to 5 here. We manufactured this component 50. I approved. He said to enter CT secondary again. Secondary current transformer.
I understood.
The device supports 5 AM and 1 amp secondary input. Because it is 55, we chose our 5 ampere.
We had fun.
They desire for us to elucidate how we connect the kind of connection at the measurement input on the rear of the device. Look, there is a 3x4 wire here, so we tied it 3 times and tied the neutral. 3x4 wire. There are 5 types of connections in the user manual. It is entered here by selecting the appropriate one from there. We select the 3-phase 4-wire connection. We press the OK button. Select the frequency. Supports frequencies of 50 Hz and 60 Hz. We select 50 Hz. We pressed OK. Installation, the steps were finished like this. Now our tension screen welcomed us. The measurement screen appeared. Look, here is the red LED indicating phase L1. Yellow LED with phase L2. There are green areas with 3 phases. Phase measurement parameter is chosen at this location. When we press the OK button here, we press the down button where the phase neutral measurement measured the minimum. There are maximum measured voltage values. We press the house button, we press the down button. We arrive to measure a great deal. Press the OK button once more. There are minimum voltage levels that it measures extensively and maximum voltage levels that it measures. We arrived at the present with the down button. There are minimum measured current, maximum measured current, and demands in the current. Here we can see the demands. We press the down button, we arrived at the frequency. We press the OK button. We have reached the minimum level and the maximum level in frequency. We are able to observe the measurements in this particular manner. On the other hand, our goal is to make a change in a parameter that is located inside the device. We need to access its menu. When we press the OK button, we can access the device's main menus. We have the ability to make adjustments in parameters like this. We can input communication settings from this location. We can change our address and baud rate. Here we can change the mode and assign a custom alarm. You can change the alarm mode here. There is an option for alarm postponement if needed. We have the option to create an alarm from this alarms menu. Here, the alarm is currently set to a total of 8 alarms. We set initial alarm, we pick parameters. Look, here it's asking for parameter from us. Here we can create our alarms by selecting parameters such as EFAS, Nutur, FastFast, AKIM, Nutur currents from here. If we made a modification on the device, we must save it by navigating back using the home button. I'm giving an example here. We can change our current transformer. We have changed our current transformer afterwards. I converted it from 1000 to 5.
I understood.
I accepted the secondary again as 5. Look, we set it to 15 to 5, but later I connected a 5 CT to 1K. I made changes to the menu. This step is important. I made the change, I approved it. Now I left with the home button. I printed one. Save came. When I turned no into yes, the device took and saved the most recent change I made to its memory storage. The installation and usage of the device is as follows. We are proud to be with you in all your energy applications and energy quality solutions as Entes.